Hi, I am Muhammad Saiful Islam. Today I describe how to use Arena simulation software with example. First, open Arena. Here, the project bar and advanced transfer, advanced process, basic process, follow process, packaging, report, navigate. There are many project bar are here. I try to describe first basic process. In basics process, two types of modules are commonly used: flowchart modules and data modules. Flowchart modules like create, dispose, process, decide, batch, separate, record, assign, and etc. Data modules like queue, resource, variable, schedule, set, etc. Here the example: vehicle arrive into a car wash shop to get a simple wash and cleanup. The car wash system consists of a single car wash machine which provides the actual service to the vehicle. Arriving vehicle join a line to wait for service. Again repeated, arriving vehicle join a line to wait for service. The vehicle at the head of the line is the one that is next to be serviced by the car wash. After the vehicle wash completed, again repeat, after the vehicle wash is completed, the vehicle leaves the system. The vehicle consider the customer of the system. So the vehicle consider the customer of the system. Again repeated, the vehicle consider the customer of the vehicle as they are the entities requesting the service by the server. Again repeated, the vehicle consider the customer of the system as they are the entities requesting service by the server, and server name are wash machine. First choose create, then choose process, and then choose dispose, create, and name vehicle or car wash shop, any name use, car wash entity 1 and random xp below, any number use, and hours or minute like minute. Okay, process name, any name use like machine, and delay size delay resource. Then click add. Resource type, resource name, any name use like car machine, car machine. Okay, then here constant, number, triangular, uniform, expression, like uniform, like minute, minimum and maximum like 2 and 4. Then click OK. Then choose dispose like exist. Then click OK. Then sitting. Then run Click here, then setup. Click, then click start date and time. Application length means the system, how long time the system will run. Use like 12 hour and 24 hours, basic unit 24, then okay, then save, like comment, any name use, like cars, okay, then now click run and go. Then click yes, and number of out average 168, and entities number in system 168 and number out in the system 168, total number in 168 and total number out 168. Resource car machine, number of busy point 71. And thank you watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Best of luck.